Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone National Park is an American national park situated in the Western Union States, mainly in the northwest corner of Wyoming and extending into Montana and Idaho. It was established by the US Congress and signed into law by President Ulysses S. Grant on March 1, 1872. Yellowstone was the first national park in the US and is also widely held to be the first national park in the world. The park is known for its wildlife and its many geothermal features, especially Old Faithful Geyser, one of its most popular. While it represents many types of biomes, the subalpine forest is the most ample. It is part of the South Central Rockies forest ecoregion. Yellowstone National Park is an almost 3,500 square mile wild amusement territory on a volcanic problem area. Although Native Americans have lived in the Yellowstone region for at least 11,000 years, beside visits by mountain men during the right on time to mid 19th century. Management and control of the park originally fell under the authority of the United States Department of the Interior. The first Secretary of the Interior to supervise the park being Columbus Delano. Nonetheless, the U.S. Armed Force was at last authorized to regulate the board of Yellowstone for a 30-year time span somewhere in the range of 1886 and 1916. Yellowstone Lake is one of the largest high-elevation lakes in the North America. Furthermore, is focused over the Yellowstone caldera. Yellowstone caldera, the biggest supervolcano on the mainland. The caldera is considered a sleeping volcano. It has discharged with tremendous force several times in the last 2 million years. Half of the world's geysers and hypothermal features are in Yellowstone, fueled by this ongoing volcanism. Here is the history of the Yellowstone Park. We will discuss a little bit about it. The park contains the headwaters of the Yellowstone River, from which it takes its historical name. Near the end of the 18th century, French trappers named the river Rochillona, which is probably a translation of the Hidasta name, Yellow Rock River. Afterward, American catchers delivered the French name in English as Yellowstone. In spite of the fact that it is regularly accepted that stream was named for the yellow rocks found in the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. By the time white explorers first entered the region during the Lewis and Clark expedition in 1805, the Nez Perce Crow and Shoshone tribes. While passing through present-day Montana, the expedition members heard of the Yellowstone region to the south. Ferdinand V. Hayden, American geologist, was convinced Congress to make a Yellowstone a national park in 1872. Here we go the geography of the park. Approximately 96% of the land area of Yellowstone National Park is located within the state of Wyoming. Another 3% is within Montana. The volcanism of Yellowstone is believed to be linked to the somewhat older volcanism of Snake River Plain. The Yellowstone caldera is a volcanic caldera and supervolcano in Yellowstone National Park in the western United States, mostly referred to as the Yellowstone supervolcano, and the most of the park are situated in the northwest corner of the Wyoming. The Grand Prismatic Spring in the Yellowstone National Park is the biggest hot spring in the United States and the third largest in the world. Large floods of basalt and other lava types ahead, mega eruptions of superheated ash. In Yellowstone National Park, Norris Geyser Basin is the world's tallest currently active geyser. steamer geyser has two vents, a northern and a southern, around 20 feet 6.1 meters separated. Old Faithful is a cone geyser in Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming. It was named in 1870 during the Washburn-Langford-Doane expedition and was the first geyser in the park to be named. The largest and the most famous megafauna location in the contiguous United States, grizzly bears, wolves, and free-ranging herds of bison and elk live in this park. Yellowstone has numerous recreational opportunities including hiking, camping, boating, fishing, and sightseeing. The American bison, or simply bison, also commonly known as American buffalo, is an American species of bison that once roamed North America in huge herds. Its historical range is described as the Great Bison Belt, tract of rich grassland that ran from Alaska to the Gulf of Mexico, east to the Atlantic seaboard, as far north as New York and south of Georgia. Wapiti is one of the largest species within the deer family, Cervidae, and one of the biggest terrestrial mammals in North America and Northeast Asia. It is not to be confused with the still larger moles of North America. The wolf, also known as grey wolf, is large canine native to Russia and North. More than 30 subspecies of Canis lupus has been recognized. Grey wolves as colloquially understood comprise non-domestic feral subspecies. The American black bear is a medium-sized bear native to North America. It is the continent's smallest and most widely distributed bear species. They normally live in generally forested territories, yet will leave woodlands looking for food. They are now and then pulled into human networks in light of the quick accessibility of food. The American's wild bear is the world's most regular bear species.